No matter your skin goals or your skin type, TULA has a product for you. We're focused on being healthy, not perfect, and helping you to be the most confident in your skin. Hi there, QVC. My name's Sydney from TULA Skincare, and I am so excited to talk to all of you today about all things TULA Skincare and show you some of our favorite products. If you're just now discovering TULA, we're focused on the power of probiotic extracts and superfoods. We were founded by Dr. Roshini Raj, who's been a practicing gastroenterologist for almost 20 years in New York City at New York University. She's always been fascinated by gut health and the community of good bacteria. And a fun fact, TULA means balance in Sanskrit. It's all about keeping balance in your life and on your skin. Now, let's take a closer look at some TULA favorites that are sure to give your skin an amazing glow. Starting with the cult classic Purifying Face Cleanser. This is truly a cult favorite. This is an amazing gel-based cleanser that of course features the amazing ingredients of probiotic extracts and superfoods, but you'll also find ingredients like tea, blueberry, and turmeric in the formula. This bouncy gel-based formula is amazing for removing dirt and debris on your skin. A little bit goes a long way, and a secret is I love to use this every night to remove my makeup. Now I want to show you our best-selling Do It All formula 24/7 moisture hydrating day and night cream. The name says it all. This moisturizer can be used morning and night to give you hydrated skin. 24/7 moisture is formulated with hard-hitting ingredients like squalane and peptides to help give you nourished skin while also being non-greasy and super lightweight. And finally, this would not be a video of our favorites without showing our founder, Dr. Raj's favorite product. This is Beauty Sleep Overnight Repair Treatment. It features ingredients like vitamin C and AHAs to give you our most potent formula. Can we also talk about this application? Whether you're looking for products to address your skincare concerns like hydrated skin, or you're looking to boost your overall glow, QVC has the TULA products for you for glowing skin.